Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, your trusted place for in-depth and honest smartphone reviews. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of the most powerful Android flagships of the year, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G. This smartphone is designed for users who demand top-level performance, advanced camera technology, and a truly premium build. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G features a stunning frosted matte glass back panel that feels smooth in the hand and resists fingerprints. The titanium-style polished frame adds durability while giving the phone a luxury flagship feel. Smooth curved edges and balanced weight make it comfortable to use, even during long sessions. On the rear, the bold circular Leica-inspired quad-camera module immediately highlights that this phone is built for serious photography. Moving to the display, Xiaomi has equipped the 17 Ultra 5G with a large high-resolution AMOLED panel. The screen delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness for outdoor visibility. Ultra-thin symmetrical bezels and a high refresh rate create a smooth and immersive experience, whether you are watching videos, browsing social media, or playing graphics-intensive games. The camera system is the biggest highlight of this device. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G comes with a Leica-tuned quad-camera setup that captures incredibly sharp and detailed photos. Daylight shots look natural and vibrant, while low-light photography is impressive thanks to advanced sensor technology and image processing. Video recording is equally strong, offering stable, cinematic results that content creators will appreciate. This makes the Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G one of the best camera phones of 2026. Performance is another area where this smartphone truly shines. Powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G handles everything with ease. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels smooth, and high-end games run without lag. Combined with fast RAM and optimized software, this phone is built for power users who expect flagship-level speed every day. Battery life is reliable and practical. The large battery easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, video streaming, and camera use. Support for ultra-fast charging ensures that you can quickly recharge the device and stay connected without long waiting times. On the software side, the phone runs Xiaomi's latest HyperOS MyUI experience, offering smooth animations, useful customization options, and improved privacy controls. Regular updates make the device future-proof and stable for long-term use. So, is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra 5G worth buying? If you are looking for a smartphone that delivers premium design, flagship performance, and top-tier camera quality, this device is a strong competitor in the ultra-flagship segment. Thanks for watching Tech Unbox Pro. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium smartphone content. See you in the next video.